Right now, every time you use AI online, you're not just using a tool. You're training someone else's system with your data, your ideas, your business. But in the next few minutes, you're going to flip that. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AI running on your own computer with no subscription and no external control. And here's what most people don't understand. This is a game. The people who move early learn faster, build faster, and win. The people who wait stay dependent. So don't just watch this video. Do it with me, step by step. Step 1. Let's check your system. You need at least 8 GB of RAM. If you have 16 GB, that's even better. You'll also need around 10 to 20 GB of free space. This works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. If your computer can run Chrome smoothly, you are already ready for this. Don't overthink this part. Most people stop here, not because it's hard, but because they assume it is. Now step 2, open your browser, go to Google, and type Ollama download. Click the official website for Ollama. Now click download. Choose your operating system. Right here is where most people hesitate. They think, I'll do it later. But later is how you stay behind. Once the file finishes downloading, open it. If you're on Windows, double-click the installer. If you're on Mac, drag it into your applications folder. Now, follow the steps on your screen. Click Next, Next, and then Install. Wait for it to complete. That's it. You've installed your first local AI engine. Now we move to the most important step. Open your terminal. On Windows, click Start, type Command Prompt, and open it. On Mac, press Command plus space, type Terminal, and open it. Now type this command exactly as I say it. Ollama, space, run, space, Llama 3. Now press Enter. The first time you do this, it will download the AI model. This might take a few minutes, but after this, everything runs locally on your machine. Now watch this. Type something simple. For example, write a business idea for Africa. And there it is. This is not running in the cloud. This is running on your computer. No subscription, no API, no external control. Before today, you were renting intelligence. Now, you own it. You just crossed a line. You're no longer just using AI. You're controlling it. Now, here's the real insight. If only one person does this, it's useful. But if thousands of us do this, we change the system. And this is just the beginning. Right now, you're using a general AI. But the real power comes when you train it. Fine-tuning means teaching your AI, using your own data, your documents, your business, your knowledge. Imagine an AI trained on your company processes, your pricing, your customers. That's not a tool anymore. That's an asset. People using generic AI compete with everyone. People with trained AI compete with no one. That's what Project Sovereign is. A shift from renting to owning. And that's why Device Terror exists. Because no one wins this game alone. Every month you delay, you keep paying, and you fall behind. If you want to learn how to fine-tune this, connect it to your business, and start making money with it, subscribe now. Your mission today, install Ollama. Run your first model. That's your first step. In the next video, I'll show you how to train your AI with your own data. I'm Donald Cho. This is Project Sovereign. Let's change the game.